Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. To my subs, I just want to say right off the bat, sorry for not posting any videos lately. It's pretty well the dead of winter here in Canada, and as most of you know, my car is in storage. I don't drive it in the winter with the salt and the snow, so it's at the shop just in storage on jack stands right now. So I'm having a hard time kind of making content without my car, so that's why I've been MIA for a little while. I just got a wicked package in the mail yesterday, and as you can probably tell, it's from Cosmis Racing, which is wheels. Yeah, I thought I'd order myself some new wheels in the new year, and that's what I did. So I'm going to unbox them today. They're Cosmis Racing MR2 wheels, and yeah, I'm going to unbox them and show you what they look like. Got a really good deal on these. I mean, it's nothing out of the ordinary, really. I got a $100 discount using a locals code. If you guys know locals on YouTube, shout out to them. They got me a discount for these wheels for $100 off, and yeah, that helped a little bit. And shipping was also free, which is fantastic because usually shipping stuff to Canada sucks, but Cosmis Racing Canada came through and got me that free shipping. So before I finish unwrapping this wheel here and show you guys what the finish looks like, they are 18 by 8.5 with a plus 22 offset. I needed something that was going to push out a little further from my suspension because I'm making some changes to the car this year, which you guys will find out shortly. Yeah, I needed something to push away from the suspension a bit more. My last wheels, the ESRs, were 18 by 9.5 with a plus 30 offset. And they were about a credit card fitment away from my coilovers, so that was no good. I couldn't run that, so it was time to upgrade wheels, and that's definitely what I did with Cosmis Racing. So I'll show you guys what these look like and finish unwrapping them. So here they are. Cosmis Racing MR2s in Hyper Bronze. Like I said, 18 by 8.5. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually branded right into the rim, right up here. 18 by 8.5 plus 22 offset. And on this side, it says Cosmis Racing right into the wheel, which is nice. This is the wheel in all its glory. You can see sections of how it's put together. The inner barrel, nothing too fancy. I'm hoping this color picks up on camera nicely because it is a beautiful color. I was gonna go with black chrome, but I figured I didn't want to do black wheels again, even though black chrome is a lot different than just regular black. But I also found out that it was going to take a few months to get black chrome wheels, so I substituted for Hyper Bronze, and I'm super stoked on what these look like. I hope the lighting is picking that up nicely to show you guys what the color of this wheel actually looks like. So yeah, that's the wheel in all its glory. There's not really much else I can show you to it. Beautiful wheel. I love the concave with the offset. The plus 22 really gives it that dipped in look. So I'm super stoked to get some tires on these. Not sure what I'm going to be running for tires yet, but that will come in the future, obviously. So that's my wheels, and I'll show you what else is in the box. There's not much. Center caps, Cosmis Racing logo on it, of course. Some new valves as well, Cosmis Racing brand, of course. And yeah, that's pretty well it. The first box they sent, or the first box I opened, I guess, had a package of Mazdaspeed snacks in it. So shout out to Cosmis Racing Canada for watching out for my health and sending me those good ass fruit snacks. But yeah, there's not much else for me to talk about. I apologize again to my subscribers about not posting it for a while. It's super difficult without my car, and being so cold, I don't want to go to the shop and do any work, so yeah. But as spring is coming up here shortly in Canada, I'm hoping to get my parts in, and then all the installs will begin. As soon as we know it, the car will be back out, and I'll be able to post some more videos with the Speed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.